Hello, my MFA 608 students, and welcome to Module 3. These videos that I create are again designed to show you how to do things and to explain things in a little more detail. Looking at the learning objectives, go ahead and read through these on your own. There are 2 assignments that we're going to be working on for this module. Both of them are very valuable and will help us throughout the rest of this course. By the way, I'm speaking like a robot because I have to transcribe these videos, and it's easier if I speak slowly and clearly. With that in mind, let's look at the module overview. Again, you can read this on your own, but the main thing that we're going to be focusing on is editors or book coaches that focus on the big picture. Sometimes when we think of editing, we think of line editing where it's grammar and punctuation. However, there are different editors who actually can help us with the overall shape and trajectory of the story. Moving on to module at a glance. Again, we will cover these in the next few minutes, so we will not spend a lot of time on this section. For the readings and resources, these are all excellent. Once again, you will get out of this class what you put into it. Can I tell that you've read these? No. Is it good that you should? Yes. Where it says additional support about scams, the additional supplemental information, which I will post in the announcement section, is a video about that, so I would recommend you do that one instead. As I noted before you get started, there will be an additional lesson found in the announcement section. Activity 3-2. I love this activity. This is very practical in nature. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we have to do. If you click on Module 3 Activity Guidelines and Rubric, it brings up the situation. Let's go over it. Choose one of the following scenarios, and then you're going to answer a couple of questions. These scenarios right here, all 3 of them have happened to me. These are realistic. What you're going to do is you're going to look at each scenario and figure out which one you want to respond to. And then you're going to answer a couple of questions. How would you handle this conversation? How will you respond to the person in the scenario? So let me give a little bit of clarity. In each one of these scenarios, you are contacted by someone who wants you to do something to help them. When it says, how would you handle the conversation? This is where I would suggest you consider your overall philosophy on how you would respond in general to such a request. The next one is, how would you actually respond to the person? So again, the first part is your theory or your philosophy on that type of request, and then actually go ahead and write out a response to that person that demonstrates that philosophy. Again, it does not show how long this has to be. Maybe a couple of paragraphs, a paragraph for this, and then a paragraph for the response. That's fine. It's more designed to just get you to think. Moving on to the next activity. This is 3-3. Now, before we get into this assignment, a general heads up about this class in general. There are 3 major writing projects. They are found in writing in Module 3, in Module 6, and in Module 9. Yeah, I think that's right. No, that's not right. No, it's Module 3, Module 5, and Module 7. Sorry about that. Had a little bit of a meltdown there. Anyway, so this is the first paper. And then these 3 major writing assignments will be combined into your final assignment, which will be in Module 9. There we go. So let's take a look at this assignment right here. Module 3, writing assignment. Yeah, okay. This is the assignment. So you're going to talk about your philosophy on coaching and mentoring. This is really introspection, and it'll give you a chance to think and ponder upon your philosophy on coaching and mentoring, the differences, how you like to be coached and mentored, how you think it would work better for others and stuff. So if you have fallen asleep, please wake up, because I'm about to show you how to earn a good grade on this assignment. It's very simple. This is an academic paper. When you write an academic paper, you need to make sure you are clearly stating what you are addressing and then follow it up with evidence. So, for this paper, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 different parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 different parts. If I were to write this paper, I would clearly state in the topic sentence, my pedagogical philosophy on coaching and mentoring is blank, and then follow it up with evidence and examples. Then, when you're ready to go to the next point, the approach I take to coaching and mentoring based on my philosophy is blank, and then you give examples. The appropriate industry-specific techniques I will use are blank, and then you give examples. Articulate the system of revision you will employ. Well, this is the system of revision I will employ, and then you give examples. This is a 2 to 3 page paper in MLA formatting. If you haven't done MLA formatting in a while, if you go to the resources which are found in discussion 1-3, I have supplied you with several videos that show you how to do MLA formatting. Again, that's found in discussion board 1-3. So once again, to earn a good grade, make it stupidly clear to me which of these you're approaching, and then back it up with evidence. And that is how you earn a good grade on that particular assignment. Last but not least, please remember that over the course of this semester, you need to continue to add articles and links to the class resources discussion, which is found in, if you go to the course menu and you go to discussions and scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see that. You need to do 5 of these resources over the course of this class. So you don't have to do one every single module, just 5 over the course of this class. And that is what we are doing for Module 3.